Welcome to the Vestwoods instructional installation video series. In this video, we will guide you through the installation process of the VEB series stacked batteries. Please read the precautions carefully before operation. Before installing the energy storage system, please plan the energy storage area in advance according to the diagram above. Since each row of energy storage units is equipped with a wheeled base, they can be stacked and assembled in an open area before being transported to the permanent energy storage area. Pre-installation tools. Customers provide their own steel pipes with a length of 2 meters to 2.5 meters. Install according to the system layout diagram based on actual capacity. Before installation, please check the size and appearance of the battery. Unpacking and checking accessories. Place the wheeled base on a flat area. Lift out the battery pack and stack it on the wheeled base according to the guide, with a maximum of 4 layers. Install high voltage box. Use M514. The bolts are fixed to the battery module and can be moved as a whole after being fixed. Using the tools in the accessory kit, loosen the base gears. Smoothly push the battery pack to the designed installation position. Readjust and lock the base gears to ensure the battery pack is securely fixed. The 2 stacked modules are grounded via a bracket. Connect the signal lines between battery modules. Install the shielding resistor at the end of the battery pack. Connect the signal lines between the battery pack and the high voltage box. Note: organize the signal cables and secure them inside the mounting blocks on both sides of the pack panel. Signal cables between battery clusters should be secured to the cable ties on the inside of the top cover with cable ties. Connect the power cables between the battery modules. Connect the power cable between the high voltage box and the battery pack using M8. 16 bolts. Reference torque 13 Nm. Reference torque 13 Nm. Connect one end of the cable to the inverter bat plus bat. Note: before connecting the cable, make sure all switches of the energy storage system and hybrid inverter are turned off. Rotate the emergency stop button to release it. The other end of the cable is connected to the P+P terminal of the high voltage box. Connect one end of the communication cable to CON2L and CON2H on the high voltage box. Insert the other end of the communication cable into the inverter's communication port. Press and hold the rocker switch. Once the screen lights up, use the on-screen interface to adjust the number of modification modules. Click the user icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter the password 888888. Click Enter, then click Yes. Click Setting. Click on to automatically verify the BMU address. If successful, it will automatically redirect to off. Then click Configure Parameters. Change the BMU tie according to the actual number of modules. Click Enter to confirm the changes. After completing the module modification, disconnect the ship mode switch. Precautions and inspections before powering on. Press and hold the boat shape switch for 3 seconds until the green light turns on. Put the high voltage box circuit breaker in the on position. The inverter switch is closed and put into the on state.